So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can watch ads in Webtoon. So guys, when you watch ads, you gain a certain amount of episodes and you unlock them instead of using your coins. So if you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So first of all you need to do is just go ahead and open Webtoons first. And once you do so, just go ahead and tap on any series that you want to read or like. And once you're in this episodes button and at the top, you can see this option that says 7 coins or watch an ad. So guys, if you don't have coins but you want to know what happens in the series, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and tap there, tap on ad pass. It says watch ads to unlock. Once you tap there, again tap on watch ads, and guys, you're successfully watching an ad. That's how you watch ads in Webtoon. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.